How to automate new client onboarding checklists using Power Automate. Client onboarding doesn't have to be complex and time-consuming. Here's how you can leverage Power Automate to automate new client onboarding checklists. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why automate client onboarding checklists? Onboarding new clients can be long, manual, and error-prone. But with the right automation workflows, you can eliminate manual procedures and still welcome new clients with consistency and ease. There are multiple ways to automate onboarding workflows using Microsoft 365, Power Automate, PowerShell, Group Policy, and endpoint management tools. In this video, we'll focus on using SharePoint and Microsoft Power Automate to streamline onboarding task management and automation. How to use SharePoint for task tracking. Creating and sharing a checklist of tasks on a platform like SharePoint can help you track the onboarding status per client and technician. To make one, sign in to SharePoint and select Site Content. Click New and select List. Choose Blank List or Import from Excel if you have created a template. Then create columns for each of the following fields: task name, assigned to, status, target, timestamp, and notes or evidence link. Save the list as a reusable template for onboarding teams or technicians. How to use Power Automate to trigger onboarding checklists. Power Automate can create and assign tasks automatically using manual and automatic triggers. To get started, sign in to Power Automate. Click Create in the left menu and select Automated Cloud Flow under Start from Blank. Choose a trigger, such as a manual trigger button, a Microsoft Forms submission, or an HTTP webhook. Add an action such as create a new SharePoint list instance or entry, send a Teams or email notification to the onboarding team, automatically assign tasks to technicians based on type or role, create placeholder accounts in Microsoft Entra ID, or launch scripts or webhook integrations for external tasks. Then, use connectors such as Office 365 Outlook/Teams, SharePoint, Microsoft Entra ID, HTTP webhook, and PowerShell. Save and test the flow for various client input types. Other tools such as PowerShell, Registry Editor, Command Prompt, Group Policy, and Intune can also be used for client onboarding, as explained in our blog. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to automate new client onboarding checklists using Power Automate, linked in the description below.